Hello, welcome to Silly Point. My name is Manu Shankar. While I was struggling with the heat and the humidity in the Mumbai locals today, my friend, my colleague, Abhishek Mande was sitting in an air-conditioned room with Bhairavi Goswami. I guess it's time for me to stop rambling now. Over to you, Abhishek.
Right, Manu, thanks so much for that lovely introduction. Of course, we have with us Bhairavi Goswami. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Silly Point. As you know, Silly Point is the name of the show. And thanks for joining us. I believe you're wearing red because one of our colleagues told you to wear red. So what's that?
I think I look hot in red.
Okay, alright. So we're going to sort of skirt all these issues, but we're going to try and talk about cricket. Okay, let's try and talk about cricket. So let's do a quick rapid fire, and we're going to ask you questions. So the first thing that comes to your mind when I say cricket?
It's a silly game.
Okay.
So many men running around one ball.
Okay. IPL.
I think it's Indian Premier League.
Okay.
There's nothing premier about it. Cricket is the common man's game. It's everyone. It's a desi game. There's nothing premier. There's nothing international. There's nothing league. It's not like Ivy League. It's the chai wala, pan wala. Everyone. It's gully cricket.
Okay. Do you know who's Lalit Modi?
Yes, of course. I know Lalit Modi.
Okay. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when I say Lalit
IPL,
Modi?
because he started IPL. It was his brainchild. And I know someone on the team, so...
Who do you know on the team?
Madhav Dalvi, who worked at FTV and who was his CEO of FTV. CEO of IPL.
And first thing that comes to mind when I say Narendra Modi?
I think he's brilliant. He's a little like Hitler, and I don't really advocate whatever he did. But if we want to be China, then he's our man.
What the first thing that comes to your mind when I say Poonam Pandey?
Oh, who's that? What? I don't know that name. I've never heard of it. Who is she? Isn't that what all the celebrities say? I think I'm supposed to say that, but I would just...
No, I don't say that.
Yeah, but all the so-called celebrities...
No, I don't say that.
You are not one of these famous heroines, aging ones, insecure about the new...
Yeah, that's true. I'm not aging heroine, yeah.
So all these other madams, they actually look at her and they're like, what is she doing? And they do... I know, because I know for a fact. I know someone who does it. And then on camera, they're like, who's she? Okay, so when you say Poonam Pandey, I think of black bikini, stripping, IPL.
The 5 things that, that you think Sachin Tendulkar should know.
That he's God.
Okay. On the field.
Sachin Tendulkar should know he's God. On the field, off the field, when he retires, till the day he dies, he is God. And nothing is going to change that. That his best asset is his family. He is what he is because he started playing gully cricket, deep-rooted Maharashtrian middle-class values, his background. That's his strong point. That's what's kept him sane, grounded. It's the best thing about him is his background, and he's not done anything to change that. He still does, which is the best part of him. 4 is he should know that this is not it. If he's got 100 tons, he can get 110 and 120.
Okay.
So usually, a lot of people, athletes, they tend to plateau. Once they reach the peak, so-called peak, they say, now what? So he should know that if he's done 100, he can do 150.
Okay.
I mean, it seems...
150.
Okay, 120.
Oh God. You want to see him play for that long?
Okay, 120.
So how many years do you think Sachin Tendulkar has left in him?
He's taken... this is a question which nobody can answer.
So do you think Sachin Tendulkar should retire? Well, it's time. He's got his 100. It's fine.
Exactly. What everyone is saying, he should retire. No. Why should he retire?
Okay.
If he has another 2 years, 5 years, and every person is pushing, every athlete, better food, better training, better semantics. There's so much better technology, better shoes, better gear. So they can play forever. Why not? I mean... There's no age that he has to retire. 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, can't say.
Okay, 10 years. So that's I think we're going to call it a cut over here. Manu, Bhairavi here says that Sachin has another 10 years to go. I think you found your soulmate in Bhairavi. Maybe you can give him your number. So I think that's all from me over here. Thanks. Over to you.
So now that she's ready to give me a number, I think next time round, I should be the one who should be interviewing her. Thank you for watching Silly Point.